Hi, welcome to the Quilt Report. Well, here I am on vacation. There's not a quilt in sight. I'm in a beautiful house in Lodi with a gorgeous pool and pool house. And with a couple of friends, Joshua and Juliana, who are in my germ club. We're in my favorite house I've ever been inside. I'm telling you. If you go this way, it's the wing. It's over towards the pool. You can take a shower in there. You can go over here to the pass-through window to the inside bar. You can really just go any place you want, but this whole wing is the bedroom wing where each bedroom opens out onto the deck here. And onto the pool. It's like super duper cool. And then you can cook dinner on the indoor grill or the outdoor grill, and you can go and sit here at this seating place, there at that seating place. You could come inside and sit at this seating place, or that seating place, or this seating place. Or that seating place. You could have a fire in the fireplace. You could go to the dining area. This is just like a breakfast little table. Where am I? It's my favorite house I've ever been in. The kitchen is out of this world. I'm on vacation and we're cooking dinners here with the Viking stove and the all-clad and the everything. So that's what I'm doing. This is my last little vacation. And then I have the month of October is going to go crazy. What I'm doing is I'm going to go on a tour of quilt museums in the western central United States. And what I'm going to do is October 17th, stream my class from the International Quilt Museum in Lincoln, Nebraska. So Carolyn Ducey, the chief curator there, is going to be my, they said she would be my Vanna White, is going to help me go through some old quilts from their collection, some beautiful quilts that will fit my theme of the month. And we're going to go through the whole lesson. I'm going to be streaming the whole class the morning of October 17th. So check that out. It's my Quilt Freedom Workshop 5.0. And you don't want to miss it. So come on down October 17th. And if anybody lives in California and wants to go to a really great place for a vacation, Lodi is where to go. You can't beat it. All right. See you later. I'm going to have a glass of wine now.